asking. We are asking Modi ji, what is wrong in this? I am drinking in front of you. What is wrong in this brand? It's very tasty. Modi ji, please taste it. It's very good. Amit Shah ji, please taste it. Member of Parliament of BJP from Karnataka, please taste this. This is the pride of Karnataka. Why you want to damage and destroy this pride? This bottle is also very tasty. I would request each one of us, please have it. Modi ji, next time, today though you are not getting my invitation. Next time you come here, this Nandini brand, you should taste it. This is good. Only problem with you is that, and I know what is the problem. Problem is that this is written here in Kannada. That is the problem. And that is the reason Modi ji is against this. That is the reason Amit Shah ji is against this. That is the reason BJP MPs from the state of Karnataka are against this. I want to ask that why you want to damage the pride or destroy the pride of 6.5 crore Karnataka citizens. What is the intention? What you want to achieve? We are asking that you had planned this way. First of all, Amit Shah came here and he told that he is going to bring another brand. A cooperative, what is the mission of cooperative? Cooperative is one for all for one. And you are going to start a competition in cooperative. Why you can't give a helping hand to 1.25 crore people who are directly or indirectly engaged in this particular business? Or Modi ji, this is not bad. I am again drinking. I am tempted to drink this. This is not bad. Try it. And if you are listening via my press conference, somebody from BJP give this bottle to him. Modi ji, please have, taste it. This is not bad. You are trying to damage the pride of Karnataka by doing this. And intentionally you are doing this.